Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys phone apps notification guys. How can you enable? Friends, we want to enable guys Samsung phone guys app notification guys. You want notification guys on your guys the screen. So how can you on guys Samsung phone apps notification guys when guys notification will come guys you can check on your screen to swipe down. So how can we enable guys Samsung phone guys apps notification? Example guys you want guys notification guys your YouTube, Chrome, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook guys you want notification on your screen. So how can you enable? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys click on guys your phone notification setting guys and friends click on phone apps notification. So as you can enable guys your apps notification from here. So example guys you can see my Google notification guys I will enable and I can use, and friends you can see allow sound and vibration, and silent guys you want silent, so as you can silent, and I will allow guys. So friends you can see your phone Gmail notification, and guys we can enable guys Google and Gmail notification guys we will enable guys Google TV, and guys we will enable from this app notification from this right side icon. So after enable guys this my messages notification guys I can check my message notification to swipe down. So like that guys I can enable guys my phone apps notification. So guys you can enable also guys your phone apps notification guys, which app guys you want notification guys you can enable. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.